Islam is a religion filled with profound wisdom and spiritual gems. Dr. Zakir Naik, a renowned Islamic scholar, brings us some of these pearls, shedding light on the core teachings of Islam. In this video, we will explore the key insights and pearls of wisdom that define the beauty of this faith. At the heart of Islam is the belief in the oneness of God, Tawhid. This is the cornerstone of Islamic faith, where we recognize Allah as the sole creator and sustainer of the universe. Dr. Zakir Naik emphasizes that this concept of monotheism sets Islam apart from other belief systems, providing clarity and unity in worship. One of the greatest pearls Islam offers is a clear understanding of the purpose of life. Dr. Naik explains that our ultimate purpose is to worship Allah and follow His guidance. By living a righteous life, we align ourselves with the eternal truth, seeking success in this world and the hereafter. Islam teaches the concept of universal brotherhood, a message that transcends race, nationality, and social status. Dr. Zakir Naik highlights that this unity is key to solving global conflicts and divisions. In Islam, all believers are part of one ummah, or community, reinforcing the idea that we are all equal in the eyes of Allah. Another crucial pearl is Islam's commitment to justice and peace. According to Dr. Zakir Naik, the Quran provides clear guidance on maintaining fairness in all aspects of life. This divine justice promotes peace in both individual lives and society as a whole, creating a world where harmony prevails. Dr. Naik often connects the pearls of Islamic wisdom with modern science. From the creation of the universe to the development of human life, many verses in the Quran align with scientific discoveries. As Dr. Naik puts it, the Quran is a book of signs, not just science, offering deep insights into the world around us. The life of Prophet Muhammad, the PBUH, serves as a guiding light for Muslims. Dr. Zakir Naik emphasizes that the Prophet's life is filled with wisdom on leadership, compassion, and morality. His actions remain a timeless model for how to lead a balanced and meaningful life. One of Dr. Zakir Naik's key focuses is on comparative religion. He explores the similarities and differences between Islam, Christianity, Judaism, and Hinduism, using religious texts to bridge gaps in understanding. His approach promotes mutual respect and peace among people of different faiths. These pearls of Islam, as explained by Dr. Zakir Naik, offer wisdom, guidance, and hope for all of humanity. They remind us that Islam is a faith of knowledge, unity, and peace, providing answers to both spiritual and worldly challenges. Subscribe to learn more about Islamic teachings and stay connected with insightful content on faith, life, and science.